Hi everyone. So we'll discuss about nested structure. So what is this nested structure is nothing but C provides a feature that is called as nesting. Nesting one structure within another structure. So nothing but one structure nesting one structure within another structure. So this is what exactly. So when you see this one nesting, so basically we will going to create, we know that very clearly, we will going to create a structure. Inside that structure, we will going to create one more structure. So this is called it as nested structure. So here, for example, there are two types of nested structure are there. Okay, you can see that there are two types are there. I will show you that one. So one we will call it as by a separate structure. Here by separate. By separate structure. Another one we will have one more, that is by embedded structure. Embedded structure. So there are two types of structures are there. First one I will going to explain. So what is this separate structure? For first one I will going to show you this one, separate structure. Separate structure. So in this separate structure, we have something like this. We will going to create basically as like structure. We will going to create a structure like this. You can able to see struct date. I will take it. So create a body for this one. Int. Okay. Date. Okay. Again int. Month I will take. Again int. Here also I will take like this. Okay, this is one structure. So we ended with the semicolon. Again, I will going to create one more structure here. You can see I will going to create one more structure, that is struct, same keyword, employee. So for this also I will going to create a body like this, integer. I know employee ID is there, like that, employee ID. Again character name here. Use 20 bytes of memory for 20 bytes of memory. Again here what I will going to do, we have a structure. See this one very easily. We have a structure, this variable name I will going to place inside this particular employee structure. So that is what exactly. So that one I will going to mention here, struct. Okay, struct date. Okay, struct date. Date of birth, date of joining, or you take it date of joining. Okay, again this is one structure, that is also we are closing here. We can able to see. Again here I will want to say one more variable, that is called it as employee one, like that. Otherwise you create main function, you can able to use this one. Okay, for this particular employee structure. Okay, for this one, for date structure, you can able to see here we have a structure date, doj, date of joining. So this is a separately we will going to declare a structure. This is a separate structure. Again in this is a separate structure, but in this structure we will going to find the date structure variable here. So this is what exact. So this is the one way we can able to do the declaration of a structure, or we can able to create a data type of the structure. But there is another way. Okay, that is called it as embedded structure. I will going to show you here. Embedded structure. So in this embedded structure, you can able to see like this: struct employee, Okay, so create a body for this. Again, you can able to see same thing as like every employee will going to have an ID. That's by int ID like that. Okay, after that, character name means employee name. That's what. So give some size, whatever you want, like that. After that, struct. Okay, date here. Just a minute. So I will change the class so that you can able to understand properly about this. Okay. Here now this structure. Inside this structure, I will going to create one more structure. So that is called here. In this, I will going to create struct. Okay, date. So this is a structure. No need to put the semicolon. Okay. So for this structure we created a body. In this particular structure, we have one more structure. Okay. So that is struct date. Same thing. Integer in one line. I will want to finish everything. Date, month, again year, everything like this in one line. Okay. Again, I will close this structure. Please understand. Again, I will want to mention the variable that is called as date of joining. Okay, so this for this particular structure you can able to observe here. For this particular structure, okay, we have a variable. You can see this one. Okay, this particular structure for this one. Okay, we have a variable. Okay, this is complete. The structure is complete now. This one is okay. Wait a minute. So this one is okay. For this one, we haven't created any variable. That is the reason why. See, anyway, this structure, struct date is inside this particular structure, employee structure. So we created two members here and here. You can able to see. So we created two members. Finally, what I will going to do, I will going to create a variable for this particular employee structure. Okay, how you will going to do? I will show you that. Okay, now just closed. We already closed this one. Okay, again this structure is complete. Again, finally, I will going to close this structure. You can see this one. I will going to close this structure. Again, employee. So that is employee one. Okay, so this is how two ways you can able to do. Okay, so one is separate structure, another one is embedded structure like this. So we will going to take one example related to structure. Again, we will going to finish. Okay, so we're going to take one small example and we will going to do the how to access, how to initialize the values, all those things I will going to show you. Okay, not small one. I will want to take a small example. I will want to finish off this thing. Okay, let's take one small example. Example one. Let's say here struct, you know already, struct address. So this is a structure is a structure is a keyword, address is a tag name. Again, every address you can able to find something like pin number, city and phone, all those things. That's what I mentioned. Character. Okay, city, city name give 20, size. Okay, again, every address will going to have a pin number, so that is also member here. Again, every address will going to have a character phone. Okay, so that is also you provide here something like 10. Okay, how much you wanted you can able to provide. If you wanted to provide 12 also, no problem. So whatever you wanted to provide, that is left to you. I completed this structure is over. Again, I will going to create, because it's a nested structure, I will going to create one more structure, struct. That is what it is, nesting. Okay, employee. So I will going to open the bracket here. So I will going to say character name. Every employee will going to have a name here. Give some 20 words to him. Okay, again here, after doing this one, what I will want to do, I will going to bring this one. You can able to see, I will going to bring this one, this structure inside the employee structure with variable. That is what we call it as nested structure. Struct address, something you provide, ADD, nothing but address. Okay, so this is what. Again, close this structure, semicolon. Oh, now create a main function. Now main function. In the main function, what I will want to do. So basically, we have created this one. We have created already for this particular address. We have created a variable. Okay. Again, for this one address, we don't have any variable. For employee, I think for employee we don't have a variable. So that is what I will going to create a variable struct employee. So create one variable like emp1, like whatever you want to create. So just I'm taking emp. Now what I will going to do, I will going to take the information from the employee. Again, we will going to put it. So otherwise, directly what we can able to do here, I will show you. What I will do basically, I will access the information in this way. Suppose I wanted to give the information to name, name as well as city, pin, phone number, all those things. What we will want to do basically, I will do in this way. So basically, I will give the name to this particular. That time, what I will want to do, I will want to initialize the values in this way. So basically, what is the variable emp? Please understand this one. Emp dot, okay, name. So this is how you will want to. Again, if you name right, so I will want to provide something like employee name Arun. Okay, employee name Arun I have given. Again, I wanted to access this structure. Okay, I wanted to access this structure. So that is the reason why dot operator always, I told you, dot operator will going to help you. So that's why what I will going to do, employees here dot. Okay, so employee is a variable. You can able to see employee is a variable. Okay, which one for the city? I have to give the name. Again, I have to give the PIN number, again phone number, all those things. How to do this one? Basically, the employee is a variable of this one. Okay. Again, we will go to the address, this particular one, address. Okay, we will go to the address, and in this variable, we will going to find this one. So like this, what I will going to do, employee address. This address is belongs to structure address variable. So employee is a variable. Again, address is also variable. Dot city. You give city name. Okay. So that is equal to anything. Something like Bangalore. So like this. After that, if you want to access this one PIN number, same thing you have to follow. Employee dot add address. We add PIN number. Okay. Add PIN number. That is equal to, give any number, something like 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is also done. Again, I wanted to ask the phone number. So that's fine. Same thing. Employee is a variable of this particular employee structure. Again, go to the address. Okay, variable of address structure. So that's why address, and you wanted to access this member means please phone number. So that is equal to give any number, phone number. Okay, so it is left to you people. So something like anything. What is that? Same, you give 1 2 3 4 only. 5 6 7 8, like that. You give the phone number. Okay, so just I've given a dummy number. So that's what I said. Okay, so this is how you want to initialize the values. Then, sir, we understood about all these things. Okay, how to print this one? Very simple. So for that one, nothing to do with these things. Very simple. Just you have to go with this one. Printf. So I'm going with the shortcut, please. Okay. So for name, you can able to see we have given the name. For that one, what we will do? Percentage yes. You can see here name is there, percentage yes. Again city, that is also percentage yes. Okay, that is also percentage yes. For this is for name, this is for city. Okay, again pin code. So we have a pin code, right? That is percentage p. Okay, so this is pin code. Again we have phone number, that is also percentages because it's a string. So that's why it's a percentages. So that is phone number. Okay, everything is done. Now how to print this one? Very simple. What we have to do, emp name employee dot name, same thing, whatever the variables you have declared, use the same variables. Okay, here also same thing, employee emp dot add dot city. Just a minute. Okay, employee. A dot city. A dot city. City. Again, this is over. Again, one more is there. City and employee. Here you do employee dot add. So this one here dot in number. Okay. Print this one after that this one. Employee dot add dot phone number. Okay, that's it. Close the bracket and print it. So what is the answer you will going to get? Basically, you will going to get the answers like this. I will show you. That is Arun. So this is your output actually. Okay, Arun, you will going to get it. After that, you will going to get the city name, that is Bangalore. Bangalore. After that, pin number 1234 like that. Again, phone number 12345678 like this. You will going to get it. This is the output. So Arun is the name. Okay, Bangalore is the city. Okay, so this is pin. So this is phone number. So that's it. So now you can able to see totally this structure will going to consist 20 bytes of memory, again 2 bytes of memory, 12 bytes of memory, like that. So every variable, this variable will going to consume those many bytes of memory. This variable will going to consume those bytes of memory. So this is how you will going to create the nested structure. It's very simple. So thank you. Please share and subscribe.